IP baru saya kita Khubor ke donbosco media network ingat berkongsi tentang Shillong sedang berlainan dengan kesenjuk Samla dari zon 7 ke Lber. Dawa untuk Jongkul Selman dari Commission of Inquiry Maubat Jylla. Sedang penuntut tiket ke CRCA Muslim yang ke Belbis sisi dan berikat hak umum sisi. But IT ke PhD dan ke umum DBM Hasan Communication of Maubat. Tu bentarnya paish di Khubor di Bakambina. Kasenjuk ki sengrang ba Catholic Zone 7 Shillong Archdiocese kelas dang ya kalimpung bakendai 9 annual meet haka akui kri Lber ajar Arpendrew Hasin Francis Civil Church Lber Parish. Haka ni kesipli ya kan kalimpung kaji kendulan kinangelang ba kidekot kasenjuk sengrang ba Catholic Zone 7 lakin tiu lama kum kadak kajing kri panda ya ni kaji kendu da spiritual director Reverend Father Caldinus Majau Parish Prince Lber Parish kumukongsan. Hagani kapor penherama ladan lang iba niki e kartama upresent kesinjuk isen ramba Catholic Zone 7. Pak kapang pedeng jong kani kalimpong kalong. Usneng jong kipat riunget. Uba Matthias Rindong upresent kesen ramba Catholic Lber Parish. Ula ay kajing kren pedang soba, bat kumju kajing kublay kelum, ya baro kiramba kinapoy siya kani kalimpong ya kendulang jong kiramba Catholic. Mariadap ke program MPU lama, las dang sedaki session berpair-berpair, berawan ban ai jingkai bat jimbatai da oba kensai yaupna na non-stand diocese. Hagaba, ula keren bat batai kat kum kapang kabede bat news nam ajar Arpendrew, jong kipat riulit, bah kesinjuk kerabu. Bat palat kemba ars pa amut kirang ba na kisan teliti parish kibaha upo ke zone 7 jong kejalan yang ba Shillong, kibakin top udah ki parish, mau lasnai, mau beri yang soalan bat muslim parish. Kirang ba na Lber Parish kelai benta shirhem hakani kesin. Bat yakini kelimpung bakhendai jong kesinjuk isen rang ba Catholic Zone 7, ansepin kut haka aku Catholic Lber hajar Arpendrew dah kemas pekoi.
Yang ke bakrau yo play try kenrang bula ai kesngi ke bitnan kesngi ke badam de kejin saai kesngi ke badam de kejin shirhem jangi iwei pi wei kibla poi menta kesngi nak benta ke neka annual meet jong ke senjuk seng rangba Catholic Zone 7 ngai kublai pengepdeng sopa ya pi baro ki rangba jong ke neka Zone 7 kabakintup negi santuli ke parish, but minta radon sagwe ke parish, ke mau parish mau kerdep, kadang supli mens new play. Te minta ke sun jongi radon riu tuli ke parish, te ngidap dagji sokmen, ngidap dagji sosotnan, kene ke penpau, ya kada gajing, kerhu ke jong play, ha kene ke sun ke jongi, ha ki riu tuli ke parish, ha ki rangba, ha ki longmi, ha ki samla, bat ki hep ki bari bai e ki jongi ha ka teng jong ka parish hi barok wei ngap deng sobha ya phi khamtam e ye ke ngelam ke bak madu jong ne ka sun 7 i president ba niki khathangmau i ba novin khongsit bat ye ka executive hi barok wei ya phi ki president secretary jong ki santli ki parish ki belawan laplai por kenang banwan menta gasni ya pi baro kiru rangba ba shimkia ya gane ga jingkhon ga jingwer jong gane ga sinjuk sang rangba jong ga sun 7 na ga benta gane ki asngi ke be kendulang ban ya pleu jingmun ban ya duai ban ya pusan ban ya ga ga jingkai ban shimpang ya ga jing e ga jong blai ya ga jing tendency ga jong blai ha ga jing em ga jingi i wei pi wei kum kiru rangba lakhot yangi ban long kita ki paya ki baskem ki paya ki baklan jong ke yeng ke sam ki paya ki baklan ki paya ki baskem jong ke balang ki paya ki baskem ki baklan jong ke imlang ke salang ki paya ki baskem ki baklan jong ke snong ke tau jong ke ri ban ke jai benri hi baro ke wei lada kiru rangba baro la tip ye ki kumi khan bor klempem ki longi ki long sem ki jongi kin sapurnai ka snong ka thau ka jengi kan sapurnai ka emlang ka salang jengi sapurnai ka ri ba jai penreu kan sakin tiu na ka wei ka por se ka por ka ne ka jingkhat na ka benta jangpi baro ban pusan ban duriam ban kmien ban kampen tmai la ka jong ka gm kamtam e ka ne ka polen bala khot jengi ban long kita ge artiar jong ka jingsuk jong ka jinkmen jong ka ji e jong ka jiamam nga ai ka jing kuplai ket ba kerubiang na ka benta jangpi ai ba ka kis menta ka sngi bala shai ka sngi kidai ki sngi to ka ji e ka jingat khu ha ka ji im ka jangpi kamtam e ya ka e ka ji kai biop dang he kini ki sngi pin long kita kinongra Khubor
U Dr. Mukul Samla umangilam kalian persya hayen darbar tauan ke Jylla. Haka shiti ke bola tho mat ai haka kri jong lat ke Jylla u CH Vijaya Shankar haka artway ke di Lber ula dawa na ulat ban pin long da Commission of Inquiry halor ke jingi thi ke baklang dangshen hawas Garo Hills District kabala shemadu an mat ibn sembre. U Dr. Mukul ula pengengnya da ka baong Khubor district la kemni kibrio halor ka jingken no mat kidan kini haki kam pini ki pai ba thanda thong matang san ba yiki jinge jingkam jungki hakata ka shiti ba Dr. Mukul ula tho shaulat ula pen east south ni kidaw ki bayalang shakani ka jiki pai ba Hawas Garo Hills District ibakin thok ya ka jingdawa jigi seng bhalam ban khang la ki brain ki bombe riolom ban shimben da kun ki tong ha ki election shaka yeng darba Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHEDC ka jingpen mi hukum jong CMGHEDC manom island ki bombe riolom ban yakun ha ki election GHEDC kumju ka jingpen bra ban penlong election GHEDC bat ka jingpen long jingalang jong MLA bari makhol bari kebalalang shak GHE pat ba U Dr. Mukul ulakin tu bat anjing mat ya ulat da ka baong daytan ka Commission of Inquiry kabala ban wa yut ne kidaw ki balalang shak GHE pat ba kabala shim ni kin sembreu pat kabalawan raru ya ka jing juror ya ki jing dan jing em ha ki babon ki shnong bitha kham tam hanong ba tura U Dr. Mukul ulaong shuru daytan da ka Commission of Inquiry kabala ban wanra ya ka sok kasan hati Lungaro U Dr. Mukul ulakin tu bat anjing mat ya ulat da ka baong daytan ka Commission of Inquiry kabala ban wa yut ne kidaw ki balalang shak GHE pat ba kabala shim ni kin sembreu pat kabalawan raru ya ka jing juror ya ki jing dan jing em ha ki babon ki shnong bitha kham tam hanong ba tura U Dr. Mukul ulaong shuru daytan da ka Commission of Inquiry kabala ban wanra ya ka sok kasan hati Lungaro
post your declaration of election on the run-up for election to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and the overall prevailing situation. Now I have also shared with all of you that as the situation unfolded, which led to uncontrolled violence and various other challenges vis-a-vis the law and order situation in the districts of Garo Hills. I have spoken to the Honorable Chief Minister a number of times and engaged in discussion as to how we must all put our heads together to see that the collective effort is seen for restoration of normalcy and harmony, peace and harmony, and also to put our heads together to resolve the core issue which has ultimately culminated into that kind of situation, a charged environment, then eventual scenario that we have all witnessed as a fallout of whatever happened. Now, having engaged on number of occasions, now there are two things that is before us. One was, of course, the issue of the term of the district council. Obviously, the term of the district council as elected as per the mandate of the constitution, read 6 schedule of the constitution of India, is for 5 years. And the term of the then district council house ended by 18th of March. Today we are on 21st. Therefore, there was a situation where there was a need to take a decision. The decision is to also proceed ahead with the election. Elections were postponed, but naturally elections will have to be held. Now, under what type of conditions the elections will be held was the issue to discuss. And another part is now that the election cannot be held within that duration of the validity of the House of the District Council, Garhwal's Autonomous District Council. Therefore, to invoke the provision of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India to extend the term, which is provided as per the provision of the 6th Schedule of the Constitution for extension for a period of 6 months at a point of time. This was done by the government because it was needed. But at the same time, the most important core issue was, before we proceed ahead with the election, the issue which was to be resolved must be discussed upon, and a clear stand and the action thereof must be demonstrated, because we must not shy away from the
Kalimpong nila kay cricket beningkong hari buhay kabala penlong da ka Central Ribuhay Cricket Association CRCA kabala ay kerteng First Central Ribuhay Cricket League dus ball kelas dang haka arpoet di Lber da ka jing pun beningkong happening the best of the best Umyam Cricket Club Persya ya ka Benris Cricket Club kabala long Hamadan Umsning Sports and Cultural Playground Umsning. Ya ka tay Kalimpong lapli da o President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association James P.K. Samla, Khubor Haranggat ka jingadan lang u President ka RBYF, uba people thank you kung usimbot kong san. Uchantanya awas ti IAS SDU Pathakma, lambat inang yalang ka si RCA, ba dan upar Sumer President, ba Rocky Marwen Vice President, ba kiwe kirirong ba katan. Habapay siya katay ka jingale akay, the best of the best Umyam Cricket Club, kala yo ay ka jingkinting pisa, ba kala jit ban kawang ningkong, ba kala aylat ya ka Benris Cricket Club ban tiet ningkong. Haka jingale akay ka Benris Club, kala laban kamay shispa arko klaran na haki arko over, ba kilam da kanday wicket, ba ka Umyam ka hakban tiet shispa arko kanday ran ban yo ay ka jingjok. Hababi ay ka tay ka shispa arko kanday ran, malabo da ka Benris Cricket Club, the best of the best Umyam Cricket Club lala ban biya ya katikaran tang hapok hatsan over sawbor bat kalatiet hadu shispa like lyron bat kalem tang saw wicket dakani ka jingpoy siya kathom klapenlim ya ka Benris CC da Henry wicket.
That despite this very short time after their formation, they have been able to really come together and work together and organize this cricket league tournament. This is not a small task, it is a very challenging task, and it really goes to show the kind of leadership and the kind of passion and dedication that the members of the Central Ribuhay Cricket Association have. So I would like to, on behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Ribuhay but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district to all those players. So a very big thank you to Badon Sumer, to Rocky, and to all the members of Central Ribuhay Cricket League. As was mentioned by Badon, the president of the association, that this is part of a grassroots initiative, and I cannot really say more than what he has already mentioned. Grassroots cricket is an integral and extremely important part of how cricket comes up in any state. It is actually the very foundation based on which cricket will slowly emerge and develop. I am quite surprised today that despite the amount of the teams that are participating in this league today, 24 as we were already told, that such kind of grassroots initiatives was lacking in Ribhoi district. I'm quite surprised. But it is a pleasant surprise for me, because today, after this league tournament has been organized, we have seen that all these teams have been able to take this opportunity and participate in this league. So better late than never, and it is a very good initiative. I wish Central Ribhoi Cricket Association all the very best in this tournament. I wish all the participating teams, the clubs, all of them, all the very best. May the best team win, but at the end of the day, may cricket win. That is from the deepest corners of my heart, my best wishes to all of you, to the entire Central Ribhoi district, and to all the players and the participating leagues. Once again, I will not take much time.
Katnat PHE haka artwork dari Lber ajar artundrio kala IT pura ya ko umbang umdi Jal Jivan Mission JJM Shakisan Television ki baha Meghalaya block kata kamau tawar umrenja madan maukar nongko alo bat ha umpro haka Jylla kablalong haka shnong umrenja kini kisan television kin kit kli ban pinyat benti bat ban sumar hi kitalong bat ban sam umbang umdi shakinong shnong kabalatit Jal mohat zaf arjar artundrio hakani kasi IT umbang umdi hakini kishnong dan lang executive engineer PHE ba kisi ke video maulai si NRD block kong di lindo kebelalong ke kongsan ba usodar jong kashnong umrenja uba JS nongdhar kipat ba kikena school ba kinong get kamshnong na kisan tali kishnong ba kumju kibala shakhat sumpa haka Jylla pai ba executive engineer ula batai ba ka sarkar India kalabha ba penong pumkini ki program ai jimi kay kipat ba halor ka jingkodor ko umbang umdi pumda ula kentu kini kisan kini kishnong ban sumari kitulong banting kai ba ban long gui kinong yadai kitulong namar ka kalong ka bakodor ya ka jing kibil ba khamtam ban kya na ka jing pom pathar ya ki di gisit ba ban sumar ko ya kitulong umdi nolor uba kisit la yo ru ki jingren na ka video ba na kiwi kiriu ramba halor ka phang ban sumar ba yada ya kitulong umdi
team jong kani ka program ka pamanta kasni kade kabangi ong kataka maybe jal rakshat hakaktin kasi kamot ngaru ngade unong ida te ya kani ka program ka bangila pelong hakani ka shnong ka jongpi ni layo ka jimbha na kaliang joka ministry ba ngin penlong ni kungkini jet program ha man na kishnong bat ya kisnong umrja jupi nilayo banjit lingba kajingya keren kajungi kajingya thir dingmo kajungi bakinong penya kisnong kajungpi te ngai khublei rangwa kisnong ngai khublei chairman jok biluasi kibra priang subha ya kani kajing terwa kajungi na kabanta mangin yo pelong ya kani program ha kani kisnong kajungpi abang asyong hangni ngadu mene ban pet ban singap ya kijing keren ke ba ki nong keren ke ai shwa junga ngasu banong ba ya ke ba ngamot ban keren ngatrai ki ukla dep keren lut ya ke ba ngaru ngadan banong kijing kemu jungi hakini ke program ngiwan menta kalomba inuan ban keren ban pinsu tu sipi sholor halo kapang ka bede ba kijing kodor ju te kaya ka bangai i ba kaya ka ba syok mensi nga haba ngapet ya ka to ka state ka bamene kalong ba ni ishay ba kumki kina isamla jong kani kisnong ka don lupa kata kajing sungtu ka don lupa kata kajing kitli na ka benta kumbam kumdi ka state ka ba pi ai mene kijingwai ko pi ai mene kidai sya ki bakta ya ka jumut ki perhak jungi berkumjuru ke message ke pi ailing ba ka to kasket ke ba nakaleng jungi ku katanat trekam PHI nidon kata ke jingtemu banwara ya kata ke message pi ba to nginyelong kita kinong yada ya ku sisin perhat habang iong banginong kinong iday ya ku kum ubreu ba kum kipay ba lese ngina ban dan kita kejing keli halade ba baleng dan kami ban wan ban persutu yepi kipan nong sopsnong kihap kibaret sipang kata kejing dan kam jokum nama kumba pipitip ngangatip kuum gede ke konstantam kejing kejungi dan rai balai pa pengidon kam nakapor menginang don kam ban wan ban persutu yepi sipang kata kejing kodor jokum kene ke ba nakal yang office tekam kejungi lingba ke Ministry of Jal Shakti
Kitu mentan kilalong ki Khubor.